Hey guys, today we're gonna do a tier list video. Now this is a Blox for its tier list. Starting off with the bottom, I think it's a C tier because, well, it's kind of bad, and me personally, I think it's okay, and Buddha is straight S tier because, I don't know, because it's just good. Now for dark fruit, I think dark fruit deserves a B tier, yeah, a B tier, because I think dark fruit is just good. Like, it's good, but it's kind of meant for grinding because it does blow damage. Now for chop, F tier. Go in the F tier. Go in the damn F tier. No, I'm sorry about that. So I got the dolphin. I know a lot of people like dolphin because they want to put us S, but I think I'm putting it A because I think Buddha is just good with dolphin. Don't get mad at me, okay? Now, flame. I think flame fruit is just really good, but I don't know because it's very good when the max level. A tier. Now we got the guava fruit. Yeah. So, time for the rubber fruit. I think rubber fruit deserves a B tier. Yeah, that's good. Now time for ice. My second ever fruit was ice, and it really helped me, so I'm putting it in A. Now time for this personally, I think this is one of my favorite fruits, so I'm putting it in A tier. Time for a magma, clap those butt cheeks. Now time for was eaten by Kuma and Wonders. Yeah, B tier. I love Phoenix. Phoenix is one of the goats. Quake fruit, I think it's A tier because, yeah, it fits in pretty well. Now for sand fruit, C tier. It's mid. It's mid. Smoke fruit, yeah, B tier. Spike fruit, yeah, D tier. It's a little more dull. Spike, yeah, F, go in the F. Now, yeah, you already know where I'm putting this. Okay, thank you for watching.